Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I've been having a lot of issues with screen protectors on the outer display. Just because cases go on and off of the front, I tend to switch my cases out a lot. And so I have the premium film screen protector for the front, the back, and the inner display. Now I'm perfectly fine with the inner display on my Z Fold 3. The screen protector that Samsung has on here now, I'm not really bothered by it because this will be another glass screen protector kind of going, or film going over it. And so it's clear, so I'm not too troubled by this right now. This is still perfectly fine for me. But the outer display is where I really was having a lot of problems. And I just really wanted to get a premium screen protector on here. And the Whitestone Dome premium film, it actually is really, really nice, man. I mean, I don't know if you can even tell that it's on here or not, but it is on there, and should help with all the problems I've been having with lifting from other screen protectors. This thing goes on super easy, and it's just really clear. Touch sensitivity is there. It is just really, really nice, and I wanted to share this with you, and I'll have a link to this in the description. I am impressed with this screen protector quality opposed to other screen protectors I've used. Now, let me see if I can turn my lights on and get a little bit more light in here, just to show you that, wow, this thing is actually really clean. So let me zoom a little bit here. It is a really, really nice, clean screen protector. And it is just so clear. Now, you guys know that I'm a fan of matte screen protectors, but I've just run into so many problems with screen protectors lifting, and this one works just perfectly fine. It's just a thin sheet of premium film that goes over the front glass. And again, I do have it for the internal and the rear. So when you get the kit, you'll get the rear, but the reason I didn't apply the rear is because, again, it'll transform the phone into a shiny back, and I don't want to have a shiny back on the phone. I like the matte looking material on the back glass, and I think this looks better. But I mean, for protection purposes, I guess I could put it on there, but I use a clear matte Rinky case anyway, or my VRS case. So the front went on super easy, and let me show you the giant squeegee that they give you with this kit. And this is a squeegee I'll keep. I like this squeegee because it's the length of the phone, but the reason it's the length of the phone is because of the inner display. That's why. So, you know, I'll probably eventually put this on once the inner display goes bad, but my previous experiences with inner display screen protectors, none of them actually hold up as well as the factory screen protector, because of, you know, it's being installed by a machine basically, and they're getting this right perfectly fit on here for you, and that's why some people have so many issues with the inner display, I think most times, because it's not coming directly from the factory. But the outer display and the rear of the phone, you can easily change those out, folks, and get a really, really, really nice premium protector on there. And right now, after all the protectors I've tried, I think this one is by far the best. This is a beautiful, beautiful screen protector. So if you're worried about lifting and things like that, this should be perfectly fine for you. Just make sure you center it right on the display, and you'll be good to go with it. So everything is in dark mode for me. So let me click on something that's kind of bright here. Let's see. Let's go to Google. Let's see if I can go to Google. Yeah, here we go. Even this right here, you can see it's lined up perfectly on the edge, just so you don't have any lifting. And if you're ever concerned about lifting on the Z Fold 3 front glass, shift it a little bit this way, because the center of my camera is, I put it a little bit this way towards the hinge to make sure that when I'm taking things off, I don't lift on this side. So here's my Rinky front glass, front protector, and this is where I was running into problems with it lifting. And see how I put that right on and there's no lift. That was a huge deal for me. I got tired of every screen protector I put on would lift, and this Whitestone Dome does not lift at all. And obviously on the back there's no issues with it, but This is the major problem I had with every screen protector that I would use. When I would put on the front part of my case, it would lift immediately just trying to put it on. So getting it centered right and getting it put on correctly, this is where you'll need to do the most work. So take your time and you will get it right. So if in fact I decide I want to do the inner screen display, I'll follow up with that later. But for me, I really don't want to mess with the inner display yet because I don't really care that it's matte or not at this point. I like how nice it looks and I'm perfectly fine with it. So there it is. It's your man Jay. The Whitestone Dome Premium Film is the one that I think I'm going to recommend. This kit doesn't cost a lot, but you get the entire kit. You get the front, the rear, and the inner. So up to you to decide, but I really like this front display right here. It's just perfect of all the ones I've tried. So I'll leave a link to this in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.